And this application is for you, and I'm going to show you guys how to watch your favorite anime using this application here. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the application that I've been talking about, and you have quite a lot of anime which you can watch on this, and a lot of anime and a lot of anime movies which you can watch on this application here. You have the genres which you can pretty much select whichever type of anime you want to watch. Comedy, drama, everything is there, guys. Everything is there. Cars, fantasy, all those types of anime is on this application here. So you have the latest option here, you have the trending option. You can also go ahead and search for what you want, and if you do like them, you can just add them to your my list or add them to your list, where you can pretty much keep track of those anime. So let's say you have found the animation that you want to watch or an anime. All you have to do is just pretty much tap on the one that you want to watch. And let's say you want to keep track of, let's say, the updates, new episodes and so forth. Just tap on the add my list and it will be added over to that section as well. You can share with your friends and family and so forth. So to watch this anime here, you have to just tap on the watch option here, and it will ask you to download a IPTV player application, and once you've installed it, then you reopen that application and you're pretty much good to go. So once you have installed the application that you have directed to install, then you open back this application here, and then you'll be able to load up this section here. You can see pretty much all of the episodes as it relates to this animation here, anime. So all you have to do is just look for what you want and select the episodes, and it will show you these servers which you can select. All you have to do is select which server you want, and if it's dubbed server you want, then you can go with that server. If it's not, then up to you. So once I've selected a server, pretty much good to go from there. And do make sure you have good internet connection, because it may be a bit slow in loading the movies and so forth, so do keep that in mind. So that's really pretty much it for this application, and if I missed anything at all, you have any problems, do comment below. I would love to help you out. See you in the next one.